React Native series, so doing some small React Native projects so that you can learn React Native. And this is based on my blogs which I have written for the client, so I will give a link for them at the end. So what is that blog about? So today what we are going to learn, today we are going to learn to, as the topic says it, today we are going to learn to create React Native grid, and we are going to use the flat list which is already available. So let me not waste time and let me share my screen. And as you can see, today also we have our phone connected. I have my phone connected. So through this Scrappy Win, there is a Windows thing is there known as Scrappy Win. So with that I have connected my phone, because I do it through Expo. As I have told, Expo app, I do it through the Expo app. And because it is faster through the Expo app instead of doing it through some emulators. So let's get started. And I have already done the Expo install. If you're not done, so again, this is the Expo project. So if you are not done the Expo install, you have to do it by this. So I have already done it, so I'm not going to do it because -g means global. So after this I will do create a new project, Expo init grid flat list. So hopefully it will not take much time, and as usual it will be a blank, and it generally doesn't take much time. I'm doing this live streaming continuously. I think today is 49th day, so it is continuous. I have not even left one day, so it is continuously 49th day I'm doing this live stream. So hope you do subscribe to my channel. Okay, so it is giving us all the things which is there. So we'll do cd grid flat list and open it with VS Code, and then after that, as they're telling, I'll do npm start do one thing. It opens in this, so I will do this. Okay, and it will give us this nice scanner. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring my Android mobile and go to Expo there, Expo. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me show also what I'm doing. So you can see here, and then scan any QR. I'm tapping on that, and then hopefully this time it will be done. See, yesterday what was happening, I was connected with my LAN, and on my mobile I was connected to the Wi-Fi. So today what I did, I removed the LAN, and in my laptop also I'm connected with the Wi-Fi. Sometimes it is required, but again it is not working. I don't know why. Even let me see one thing. If the see, sometimes what happens, yeah, so that is the issue. Even the network should be same. So let me connect it, because I think on my laptop, yeah, the network is different. So what happens, sometime you have to be on the same network for this to work. Or else we will do the tunneling thing as yesterday. So tunneling thing was working fine. Hopefully this time it will work. Yesterday and it was finally the tunneling thing, which I think tunneling also didn't work or not. Don't remember. This is something which I don't like in React Native. These issues are always there. Okay, let me go to this tunnel. Okay. See now it's been built. So JavaScript should be built. This is what is, yeah, finally we are able to connect our mobile. So it is showing this means React Native project is working fine. Okay, so now we can work on it. Okay, why not use this Windows feature? This is a good Windows feature. Okay, and this one I'll bring it here a bit small. I'll do. Okay, so as usual, everything will start with this app.js, and for this small thing we will do from app.js only, and you're able to see my screen. That is good. Okay, so scan and all those things are done now. So what we are going to do, we are going to add a flat list. Okay, so for that we have to use a use state and all. Okay, so all these things can go. Okay, let me remove this thing first. Remove this thing first and import React comma. So as you know, React Native is also React only, so see user state we are using. Okay, so and we are not going to use anything here, means maybe later on we are going to use an image comma flat list. So this flat list we are going to use from React Native. This flat list we are going to use, which is so flat list is a list by which you can render the grid items in a React Native. So React Native is somewhat different than React. You cannot use something like a grid item like or flex box directly. So it has got special things like a flat list. So for doing these things means having a grid kind of a thing. Okay, so image and flat list we have done. The next thing which we are going to do is const image or so image array we are going to take equal to new array. So there is a thing new array 11 dot fill, so we can fill it with something. So 11 will be created, 11 items will be created, and we are going to go to the http place img.com 640 divided by 360 tech we are going to do. So after this this is okay. So that is user state, and even before, okay, so let me remove all these things and make a flat list which we are there, and in the flat list we are going to give a data equal to images. So this flat list is there, data equal to images, and render item equal to render item. So render item equal to render item. So what is this render item? This render item is actually a function. Okay, so function render item, which will take item and it will be return. So image, return image. Which image? This image it will return image source equal to URI item, style equal to height 100, like this, and this is now we have to this style sheet and all. This is okay, style sheet and all, export default function return, but where is the other images? So for that only we have this images comma set images equal to use state of what? Use state of image array. So it is an array, so that is what is there, whatever it is given there, that is a not corresponding. Oh, so I have to close it. Okay, so this images has been taken from here, and the render item is going to this render item. So data and render item are necessary in a flat list. So this is if you want to see, you can see like this flat list in React Native. So this is flat list, and this is again, you can see all these things of flat list like this. You can give the flat list and you should always give it like this. Here also we have taken on data and all these things. Okay, this flat list, simple flat list. Extractor also you can give, but it is okay, it is not required. Okay, so this is done. Let me now save it and moment of truth if everything is okay. Why it is telling that it is not connected? Okay, give me some error. Sometime you have to, I don't even know how to refresh it. I think this one is only there. What happens sometime? Let me stop it. Let me do one thing. Me start it again, and you may start, and do it, and then is my, it is connected. Yeah, it is connected. I have to go to this expo. So instead of scanning this, I am thinking, let me open this from here only. Okay, I have to scan it, I think. Yeah, it is going on. Let me see whether here some error is coming or not. Because this Metro bundler should start actually. This is starting Metro bundler. This should start something. So I refreshed it. So more time is wasted in this. See, coding is not that much tough in React Native. So at least in this project, coding is not tough. But the problem is happening here. Network timed out. Okay. And do the tunnel now. And again, what happened? My Scrappy Win got disconnected. We open this. No, 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 no. I saved it. But I did saved it. I don't know. So let me do one thing. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll run the in the browser. Today Expo won't run, I think. Export flat list. Okay. At least it is giving me some error. Okay. Anyways, I am not using this. So let me remove this. Anyways, if I save it, see this hot reload thing is also not happening. Flat list was not found in React Native. Why flat list was not found in React Native? Oh, it is like spell is like this. Flat list is now. Oh, now it is okay. Bundling finished. Now run in web browser if I do. Oh, now it is coming fine. Okay, so now it is coming fine. Okay, let me try one last time in the mobile, or else I will do, because the web it is working now fine. Okay, it is still not working. Okay, reload is. Oh, now it is working. That is good. It always does like that only to me. See, now it is downloading. Okay, finally, 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 it is working. Finally. Okay, so it is working finally. I'm quite happy that it is working, and I'll add it like this. Okay, finally it is working, and some virtualized list and all these things are missing. So let us fix those things. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we have to give a key also. Here for flat list always it requires some key, and we can style the images also. So all those things we are going to do here. Source is okay. Let me bring it a bit down. Source, style, height. I'll give the width as 100. Okay, and then here I'll bring this also down. Data, render items, and so now there is a number of columns attribute, so which we can give. So the number of columns are been done. So I will give num columns is equal to 4, and key. So key is very important, as we have seen this. If you go here, the key is very important. So we can give key also here. Okay, I am taking it here. So key equal to anything means 4 key we can take. Okay, save it. So see, it is coming. Nice. So all of them are number of columns is 4, and that is 4. So now we what we're going to do, so we will fix the size with the dimension API. So dimension API means height and width should be fixed. Okay, so there is a dimension API in React Native which is very much used. So we'll use this time I should not give it wrong. It is dimensions is okay. Dimensions is okay. And then after that, const screen width equal to dimensions not screen width, dimensions dot get window dot width and const num columns equal to 4 and const tile size equal to screen width divided by number of columns, and this tile size will take, and height and width will be according to the tile size. Means see, this dimension is very important. Dimensions is what happens, it will take according to the device. Okay, so this two we are going to do, and save it. And it will be, so we have changed it according to that. So but we have not yet style our app completely, so let us do some styling now. Okay, so styling first thing, everything is at the top, I'm not liking it. So we are going to have some safe area view is there. So safe area view we have to have, and style sheet also we need to have, and faculty view also we need to have. So let us first import it actually. View comma safe area. So safe area view is very important in iPhone or all this thing. That notch is there in the iPhone, so those things can be removed. So I'm not testing the iPhone. So but if you test an iPhone, that notch things are always a problem for a developer. It is very good for styling, but it is very bad for development. Okay, so all those things are there. View, safe area view, and style sheet. Okay, so these things we are going to take, and now after that this flat list we are going to come, and after this flat list we are going to have a safe area view, and safe area view generate wraps everything. So this flat list will be there. After that we are going to have a view also. View styles equal to styles dot input container, like this. So view will be there, and then style equal to styles dot container, and view equal to styles dot input, and all these things are there. Okay, and the container and input container we are going to do, and we can have something known as item separator component also, so that items are separated. So these items are separated, so we'll have that also. So we can have it here, item separator component. Okay, it is giving me, so that is good. And what it does, it take a function, and then view we have to give view style equal to height of 3, like this. Item separator component, save it. Okay, now it is telling me this. Okay, I will do it once I complete it, then I will do it. So the styles, I removed this styles, I should not have removed it. It is style sheet. So this is how we give styles in a React Native project. Const styles equal to style sheet dot create container is flex of 1 comma. So everything will be comma because it's an object, just like in React also. Align items is center comma, justify content is also center comma, padding is 10, and this should not be like this, and plus this. Now we'll get for this input container, and width is screen width. Save it, and it is as usual, it is not done because I think it is not updated and all. So sometimes we have to refresh it. How to refresh it actually? Okay, so I think I have to again open the expo, and no, it is not been done. Actually, it is not getting refreshed, which is wrong. So go here and scan. Okay, it is telling me it is not opening. So let me do the one thing. And in my browser is working fine. So there is do one thing. Close it. Sometimes you have to do all this nonsense in React Native. npm start I have to do. So your project is complete, but again you have to do all these things. Okay. So this is there now, and I don't know whether LAN will again work or not. So LAN, I don't know why it is not working, because when it is start from the next time, what should happen here? It should build this JavaScript bundle again. Okay, but it is not building it. Okay, so I have to do one thing. I have to take it to the tunnel, and tunnel. Go back, scan and QR. It is not yet done. I don't know why. Whatever. Now the bundle is getting built. Now the bundle is finished. I don't know, web only the bundle was getting done, and I don't know why expo. Okay, expo is showing some issue. Clear it. Okay, it's okay. What I am going to do, server it is showing perfectly here. So see, let me do one thing. So this is the web view is also working fine. So let me inspect it, and where is, yeah, from here I'll go here, and not responsive, but what should I do? Let me do this. Okay, and this is showing like this. Okay, so this is how I wanted it to show. So it is showing perfectly. So this is what it is all about, means the grid and all, it is working. But again the problem is that it is not showing perfectly on my mobile. I don't know why it is not showing perfectly on the mobile. Again the problem is there, that is not with here, but that is some problem with React Native. Sometimes it shows it did a lot of issues, and as I've told earlier that this project I have created using a blog which I have written for a client earlier. The client name is see, this post is written by me, and this client name is Valdo, and they specializes in no code testing. So all this you can see from here, and after that if you want to do testing in your project, you can use their no code testing thing, which is very good. So you can use that, and for that you just have to build a apk, and the process to create an apk is also there, and you just have to upload the apk in their testing tool, and it will, and you can use the interactions. It is very good, I have used it. You can use the interactions just like you will use in a real app, so that you don't have to even have to write the test cases and all those things. So these are all there. So someone is telling me hello. So hello. Okay, so this is all about it, and with this we are completing today's stream. And there were a lot of issues which came with React Native, but those issues always comes with React Native. Means Expo was not getting done, means maybe I will do with simulator next time. And because I have done some React Native blogs also for them, for Waldo, and I will do some React Native one. And React Native one, the thing is that it doesn't works on a mobile device. It doesn't have anything like Expo Go app, and Expo Go app is actually throwing a lot of error nowadays. And we need to have something like your simulator only. Okay, so with this I will end today's stream. And as you know, I am streaming daily. Please do help me, please do subscribe to my channel, because I am streaming continuous. Today is the 49th day, and I will stream continuously till 100 day, because I'm doing 100 days of video challenge along with 100 days of coding challenge, to help my students who also want to take their career to the next level by doing this 100 days of video challenge, which is one of the best challenge in the world. Okay, and I have given myself more work with the 100 days of video challenge also. That is not that thing which you should do, which anyone should do, but 100 days of coding challenge, 100 days of code challenge, you should definitely do it. It will take your career from one place to another, you don't even know. Because I know many people who just, if you complete 100 days of coding challenge, they will take your interview on their big coding platform. So it is a very big thing to achieve 100 days of code for anyone to become a web developer. Hope you inspire from me. And actually I can do 100 days of coding challenge many time, but a person who is new, they require something to do this 100 days of coding challenge. Hope you do it and become a developer who you always wanted to become. Thank you.